I will show how you can easily contribute to last year's Roth IRA. For example, today is April 8th, 2025, but I'm still able to contribute to my 2024 Roth IRA until April 15th of this year. To get started, log into your Vanguard account, click Transact, Buy and Sell, scroll down until you see Contribute to your retirement, where you can add money to your IRA. Select your Roth IRA if you have multiple accounts. You can see here that I can contribute up to $200 to my 2024 Roth IRA. So if you want to contribute to last year's Roth IRA, which in this case is 2024, just select Federal Money Market Fund. Enter the amount you want to contribute. I would just do $1 in this case and make sure it's for the previous year's Roth IRA. So in this case, once again, it will just be 2024 contribution and not 2025. Click continue. Select the bank account where you're transferring money from. So in this case, I would transfer money from my Capital One bank account to my Roth IRA. Click continue, accept, confirm all the information on this page is correct. And if it is, just click submit. And now you have successfully contributed to last year's Roth IRA.